Hi, my name is Vasanta Silva. I am residing at Waterfall Residences, Malambe, developed by Prime Land. So after occupying the house for a certain period of time, I have noticed my electricity bill is quite high. So I have done the shop around the city to find out who are the best service provider. When I went through the web and I found out Entek Lanka is one of the candidate for me. Once I spoke to them and their senior engineers and other representatives met me personally and discussed my requirements. At the same time, they have done the preliminary survey to find out whether I could be able to go for a 10 kilowatts power package. So after all these things, they said I can easily go for the 10 kilowatts. Then I asked them to come back to me with the quotation for 10 kilowatts, which is a hybrid system. After all that, they have given me a reasonable quotation for my project, and I decided to go for the installation program, which I have been paid, I believe 25% initially and rest of the payment on completion of the project. So far I have no issues other than the power supply, which is nothing to do with Entek Lanka, and as they have agreed, approximately daily I am getting approximately around 30 kilowatts per day, which is what they have mentioned, and end of the day per month I am getting more than 900 kilowatts, which I have thoroughly satisfied. Other than that, their courtesy and their professionalism and the support and the quality product and quality workmanship is been excellent, and so far I have no issues, and most importantly I could trace the productivity on daily basis, even though hourly basis, which is a great help for me to monitor the output of the system. Further, once I installed the solar power system with 10 kilowatts, I have noted my electricity bill became zero, and further I have produced more than what is my requirement, and then end of the day I am getting money from the CEB, Ceylon Electricity Board. So I would say that rather than depositing the funds in the bank, this is the best opportunity to get the good return for your capital. So I am monitoring the system very closely, and so far I have no any technical issues with the system. So due to these rainy conditions, so there are no need to any preventative maintenance for the solar panel. Eventually, when the continuous sunrise starts settling down, then I may have to go for the cleaning program, which they have promised 2 cleanings free of charge.